There's 104 days left for you to live.
I know what we're gonna do today. Verby.
Go kill that one dude who has like 7 billion backstories.
What you doing?
Weed.
Aha, Perry the Platypus. You are falling for the oldest trick in the cock. I mean 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 the dick. I mean the cook. I mean the book.
You see, when I was very little, my mom would put me in the dog cage and feed me dog food for 14 days at a time. Do you want to check out my new first? Boom! Perry, you just shot me in the fucking balls, Perry. You shot me in the penis. The penis.
Mom, Phineas and Ferb are doing drugs again. Bye-bye.
Oh, there is Perry.